Hello students. Have you ever wondered why do we sleep? What happens when we sleep? Why do we see dreams? This chapter, The Wonder Called Sleep of Class 6, answers all these interesting questions. So let's read The Wonder Called Sleep. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious rest. The writer here says that we all know what is sleep, but we don't know why do we sleep. Sleep is a kind of unconscious rest. Unconscious means when we are not aware of our surrounding. So when we sleep, we are not aware of what happens around us. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by day's activities. Fatigue means tiredness. Throughout the day, we do many activities because of which our body and mind gets tired. Sleep helps us recover from this tiredness. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. Even if we take a small nap in the afternoon, when we get up, we feel refreshed. So this is what sleep does to us. It makes us alert and active, and we become ready for the activities of the day. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. After sleeping, when we get up in the morning, we don't remember what actually happened to us at night when we were sleeping. Though we can remember a dream, but it's not that throughout the night we have dreamed. When we don't dream, the period is a kind of darkness in which nothing has actually happened. Several things happens to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more, our heartbeat becomes slower, our temperature and blood pressure goes down. The ever-active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. So many wonderful things happens when we sleep. When we go deep into sleep, our muscles, our body relax, our heartbeat also becomes slow, our temperature and blood pressure also go down, and our brain, which is always active, also slows down. We don't think or act consciously because our brain slows down, but we dream. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal, our heartbeat and breathing also becomes normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. So when we wake up, our body comes to normal. Our body temperature, blood pressure, heartbeat, everything becomes normal. But we also forget most of our dreams, the dreams that we had while we were sleeping. Now, what is a dream? Dream is actually the activity of mind that takes place when we sleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. Probable, that only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. Others could not. Sometimes we see dreams which feels like it has actually happened or it may actually happen. Those are called probable dreams. But some dreams are not probable. Some dreams are out of world. Suppose you have seen a dream that you went to moon or you went near sun. These dreams are not probable. But some dreams which are actually related to our life are probable. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. So dreams are important for many reasons. Let's see what is the importance of dreams. One is that a dream can help us to sleep through noise or other disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. So one important reason of dream is that it helps us sleep through noises or disturbances. It must have happened with you also that, for example, the alarm clock is ringing at 6 o'clock in the morning, but you are dreaming that telephone or doorbell is ringing and you are answering it. So dreams help you in sleeping even in disturbance. Certain doctors have found that one's dream often reveal a great deal about one's problem, and that if we understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. So many doctors believe that dream also tell us a great deal, many things about our problems, about the problems in our life, and if we understand our dream correctly, they also provide key to the solution of these problems. But we must remember one thing: dreams cannot be used as a way to tell future. They simply can never tell future. So dreams can hint about our problem and solution, but it's not that dream tells about us, about our future. They can never be related to future. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about wonder and power of sleep? So, do you ever think about the wonder that sleep does to us and the power of sleep? Many poets have written many wonderful things about sleep. And here is one of the poems which is describing the experience of falling asleep. The poem is Lights Out. I have come to the border of sleep, the unfathomable deep forest where all must lose their way, however straight or winding, soon or late they cannot choose. So the poet is saying that I have come to the border of sleep. I have come to the place where I have to sleep, come to a stage where I have to sleep. It is like a forest which is unfathomable, which is so deep that it can't be measured, whether it is a straight or winding. Winding means twisting. Sooner or later, everybody has to fall asleep in this deep forest. We cannot choose. There is not any book or face of dearest look that I would not turn from now. To go into the unknown, I must enter and leave alone. I know not how. So, no book or face of a dearest person can make me turn. I have to turn away all of them because I have to sleep. I have to go into this unknown and I have to enter there alone, leaving all that I have. And I don't know how, but I have to sleep. By Thomas Edward. Now let's see some question answers from the chapter. What is the most obvious advantage of sleep? When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by day's activities. That means we recover from tiredness of the day. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. What happens to our body when we sleep? When we sleep, our muscles relax more and more, our heartbeat becomes slower, our body temperature and blood pressure goes down, and our ever-active brain also slows down so that we can think or act consciously. Define a dream in your own words. Dream is an activity of mind that happens when we sleep. Why are dreams important? Mention 2 reasons. We have seen that dreams are important because they help us to sleep through noise or other disturbances, and dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problem, and that, if understood correctly, can provide a key to the solution of those problems. Why has sleep been called a wonder? Sleep has been called a wonder because of its advantages like its ability and power to make us feel refreshed and relaxed, yet we do not know what causes sleep. Describe briefly to the class an important dream you ever had. Now, please let me also know any important dream, any improbable dream that you have seen. Please write in the comment box. I will really look forward to such comments from you.